Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope all of you and your families are doing fine. From the title, many of you will be aware what I may be showing in this video, and for you who do not know what Traxxas TRX4 is, you will come to know in this video. It is actually a serious hobby RC car, and I had a dream since last 2.5 years to purchase one of these, but I could not. Now while staying at UK, I was able to purchase it, and it is a Blazer model. So without wasting any time, let me do the unboxing. So the model has come in a huge box, this. So the size of the box is, it is around 1070 millimeter, this length. The breadth is around 280 millimeter and the height is around 350 millimeter. I just wanted to unbox this in front of you so that I can share my excitement, because it was my dream, and definitely my son also would be watching this video soon. I purchased it online from West London Models, and I found it at the cheapest rate at their site. Just one second. It has been very strongly packed. This is my first serious hobby RC car. I do have one small RC car from Maestro, a rock crawler, that is also very good, but I wanted to have this serious one. Just mind it, there is a lot of difference between the RC Maestro car and this one. So just see how they have packed it, very nicely done. And guys, this is the first time I am seeing this in front of my eyes in real. So this is the real actual box. So the length is 640 millimeter length, 270 millimeter width, and 255 millimeter height. This is 1:10 scale. So I think it opens from this side. So guys, I can see the back of it, and really I can't tell you how excited I am to see this in front of my eyes in real. So it comes protected in this box. And here at the back of this is the transmitter or the remote control. So it comes arranged in this way, like this, and probably this. It will be like this. So the height of this thermocol or styrene, it is a bit higher than the car, so that it is protected. So this is the transmitter, the control. I'm not going to review this now because this requires battery, and this car also requires battery. It doesn't come with the battery and the charger. I have to purchase the battery and the charger separately. So one battery, either lithium polymer or nickel metal hydride battery, will go into this car, and I think 4 AA cells are required for this transmitter, and then it will be ready to run. So I will do that video separately, and I will show. It comes with 2 small clips to keep the plastic covering in place. I think the body, it comes separately. Yeah. So this is the body of Chevrolet Blazer. So there are posts on this to mount the body, and it is very simple. So you have 2 holes at the front and 2 holes at the rear side. So just to place it, and you can lock the body with this post through these pins. So I will just show you how it looks from the top, and this is from the bottom. This car, it has real differential gearbox. So if you observe here, when I turn this wheel like this clockwise, then the left side wheel, it turns anti-clockwise. Similarly for the front axle, when I turn the right side wheel anti-clockwise, the left side wheel, it turns clockwise. And it has propeller shaft arrangement. So this is the propeller shaft, one for the rear axle and one for the front axle. Really a nice car, guys. And why I was telling you that it is a serious hobby, because there are very delicate mechanical parts, and one electronic speed control unit, the motor, cables, there are servo motors with the gear transmission system for locking the front and rear differential, then for the steering mechanism, and you have to maintain it yourself. So you need to have some basic knowledge about toys, electricals, electronics, and few mechanical aspects like how to hold while opening any screw, how much to tighten the screw, like there's all those sort of things, when to oil this, how to oil this, how to lubricate the moving parts. If you don't maintain it properly, then definitely you are going to damage this car. So I will just put it here. You can see how easy it is to mount it. That's done. I will just take one clip here, and I will put it here, one clip here. So this is the clip, simple clip. on that side. Done. It comes with some tools so that you can maintain it yourself, and it comes with separate clips also. I think there is a manual here, and there was one document here. Let me see. Oh, it is tied up with this card. Anyway, I will open it later. I will take it out later. The fit and finish, it looks absolutely nice to me. The body is lightweight. It's really nice. The coloring, the paint scheme, everything, it looks top notch to me at least. This is my first car, so maybe at first glance everything, it is surprising me a bit, and I am liking it definitely. I will do certain modifications in this. For example, I will change the servo motors, because what I have learned previously, that the original servo motors in Traxxas, they are good, they are not bad, but if you want serious crawling, then you should change it. So there are 4 servo motors actually, one front and rear locking differential, one for the speed transmission, high and low, and one for the steering. So I will change all the 4 servo motors, and I will change the electronic speed control, which is called the ESC. That I will do later, but I will definitely change the servo motors first. And whenever I will do that, I will definitely update you with how I did this and what care I had to take. Once I purchase the batteries, I will run it, and then definitely you are going to see some of the videos of this running here. Now, let me just take you around this beautiful car. That's all, friends. Just 2 things I wanted to tell you. It does not come with any light, so you have to purchase your own lighting kit, or you have to arrange your own lighting system. If you want to decorate it with lights, whether at the front or the rear, it doesn't come with any of this. You have to arrange it yourself. And the length of this car, it is around 520 millimeter. The width is around 250 millimeter, and the height is around 255 millimeter. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Be safe and take care of your family. Ta-da.